Farm to Table Kids is a nonprofit educational farm in North Yarmouth, Maine, where we teach children and families how to grow healthy organic vegetables and flowers, craft with nature, and how to cook healthy farm-to-table foods. The mission at Farm to Table Kids is to help children find what lights their heart in nature, whether it's planting seeds, arranging flowers, or cooking with fresh harvest. We explore it all. Farm to Table Kids programming is offered through our summer camp program and adult and family workshops throughout the year. And if you're not here in Maine, we have an ever-growing library of DIY videos for kids to do at home in your own kitchens and gardens. This farm campus holds such a special place in my heart. I started building this farm when my son got well from stage 4 cancer. I can tell you firsthand that connecting with Mother Nature heals the heart and soul and sets the stage for a positive mindset. Because of my story and my family's health history, I am so committed to being a positive, thoughtful, and educated resource for families and children interested in connecting with nature. To join our farm family and experience our farm community, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and please subscribe to our educational how-to videos for kids on YouTube. Thank you so much for being part of this farm community. Our work has never been more relevant and more important than it is now. Thank you for your continued support. Please visit farmtotablekids.com for more information. Thank you so much, farm friends. Happy harvest season.
This is Farmer Joey. I want to say thank you for your interest in Farm to Table Kids. If you have farm kids at home that want to learn more about organic farming, cooking, or crafting, please follow us on Instagram and farmtotablekids.com. And if you live in Maine and New England, we hope to see you on the farm, at summer camp, a farming workshop, or the farm stand. Thank you, sweet farm friends.